Here we presents the top 5 best riding lawn mowers. Starting at number 5, Husqvarna MZ61. Last but by no means least is the Husqvarna MZ61. This veritable behemoth of a mower has a huge 61-inch mowing deck. So big is it that you'll need a forklift truck to move the thing when it's delivered. As you might expect, these kinds of specifications don't come cheap. It's reassuring, then, that this is a mower that's built to last. Plenty of features have been included to make maintenance quick and easy. The spindle assemblies are greasable and easy to access, while the floor pan can be removed in seconds. That, in turn, makes it easy to reach the belt for checks and repairs. The transmission pumps can also be serviced to keep them in tip-top condition. With a deck mower this wide, extra protection is in order. This comes in the form of 3 deck rollers that stop it from getting grounded on uneven terrain. The chassis is commercial-grade steel, reducing vibration and minimizing wear and tear on both mower and driver. There's a comfortable seat with a high back, extra cushioning and armrests. And the PTO engagement is located with the ignition, throttle and hour meter and a user-friendly control panel. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. At number 4, Troy-Bilt 540cc. The second Troy-Bilt machine to make our list, the Intec is a different proposition to the premium neighborhood model. Designed for gardens over 0.5 acres, its 46-inch wide mowing deck and 500cc engine are bigger and more powerful. Like the Swisher, the engine here is made by Briggs & Stratton, so you know it's going to be reliable. There's full pressure lubrication with a spin-on oil filter to keep it running smoothly. The top speed is a respectable 5.2 miles per hour, and the overall build quality is good. The transmission is operated by a foot pedal. In this case, it's CVT, continuously variable transmission, and you won't get the smooth acceleration of mowers using hydrostatic systems. If you're new to riding lawn mowers, you'll want to take it nice and steady until you get used to it. It has a top speed of 5.2 miles per hour and a relatively modest fuel capacity of 1.36 gallons. We think that means it's best suited to gardens around the 1-acre mark. The mowing deck can be adjusted to 5 different levels. It's made of 13-gauge steel, making it robust enough to stand up to heavy use. Grass cuttings are ejected at the side, and there's a clever deck washing system to keep everything clean. Halfway of my listed number 3, Husqvarna TS348. Another powerful lawn tractor from Husqvarna, the TS348 offers 24 HP from its Kohler KT 735 volts twin 4-cycle OHV engine. Fuel consumption is efficient, and it's designed to power through even tall, wet grass without breaking a sweat. The transmission is hydrostatic, and it automatically adjusts speed to give the kind of smooth acceleration you'd expect in a car. It's resilient too, requiring lower levels of maintenance than automatic or manual systems. An air induction system blows air from the top to the bottom of the deck during cutting. This prevents the grass from clumping up and enables even distribution of clippings. It also has the same anti-scalp wheels as the Z254, keeping the mower even on bumpy ground. This isn't a zero-turn mower, but it still has an impressive 18-inch turning radius. That should be enough to maneuver easily, even in tight areas. It's a little slower than some other mowers on the list, with a top forward speed of 5 miles per hour, dropping to 2.1 in reverse. Perhaps in the expectation that you'll need to spend longer mowing, the seat back is 6 inches higher. The arrests come as standard too. The seat is padded with thick cushions, and there's something called EVC elastomeric vibration control. Everything, in fact, that you could want for a comfortable ride. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. Coming in at number 2. Troy-Bilt 382cc. If you're looking for a machine for weekend mowing of smaller areas, consider Troy-Bilt's premium neighborhood model. This is considerably smaller than other mowers on this list, and it doesn't have as much power. But it's still no slouch. Its 382cc auto choke engine will deliver speeds of up to 4.5 miles per hour, and is built to last. The mowing deck here is just 30 inches wide. It won't be the best choice if you have large areas to cover, but its trimmer dimensions make it very easy to maneuver. Whilst not designed as a zero-turn mower, its turn radius is still just 18 inches. And it's small enough to be easily stored in a standard garden shed. There are some nice features too. The mowing deck can be adjusted to 5 different heights, and there's a 6-speed transmission. The engine is designed to offer clean performance, and there's a 1.3-gallon fuel tank. A nice touch is the fuel sight window, allowing you to check the level of the gas easily. There are some limitations. Its limited power means this is a mower best suited to gardens, where the ground is fairly level. Any incline above 12 degrees will cause it to struggle. And while it has a reverse gear, it's not recommended to mow in reverse. And number 1. Husqvarna Z254. The first thing to say about this great machine from Husqvarna is that it's a zero-turn mower. What does that mean? Well, as soon as you've finished one strip of mowing, you can turn on a pin and go right back. It's also brilliant for cutting around obstacles like flower beds. It has a powerful 26 HP engine from Kohler. It's durable and fast too. It will handle up to 2.8 acres an hour at a speed of up to 6.5 miles per hour. If you're looking for a mower to cover a large area fast, it's a great choice. It's surprisingly quiet too, a real bonus if you're spending ages mowing. A lot of thought has gone into the hydrostatic transmission. This is designed not to use hydraulic hoses, so there's no issue with leaks. Each drive wheel has its own wheel motor and fan-cooled 10cc pumps. The result is smooth acceleration and bags of torque that will deal easily with hills and uneven terrain. This is the kind of mower you're likely to be using for hours at a time. That means, of course, that it needs to be comfortable, and it is. The chassis is made of welded steel, reducing vibration as you mow. It also helps keep all 4 wheels on the ground when you're on bumpy terrain. The seat is ergonomically designed and 15 inches high to provide effective lumbar support. The ignition, throttle and choke are located together and easy to reach. There's an hour meter to help you keep track of time. You even get a cup holder so you can stay hydrated as you mow. I have included these product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.